Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. What were you watching?
I was watching Sons of Anarchy. Have you seen that?
Oh, nice. Great show. Are we live and online? Yeah, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And it's an exciting Monday morning. Lots of interesting news. Lots of news on hiring. Everyone's talking about are the offices going to be, are there going to be any clients to take office space and everything? But every time I look at the news, there's, Dyson's just hiring for another 300 people for these called share services companies, and I can see the whole office built market is still, for Poland, still seems to be coming in new clients. So always good news.
Some very good news.
So welcome, crazy Monday morning, lots of business going on. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. SCE Awards, we got a new sponsor today, which I wanted to announce, or they actually came Friday, which was the sustainability partner, BuildGreen Romania. So thank you to Razvan, Nica, who's running that operation. I know you're busy and expanding into the region, so thank you for sticking with us. If you haven't seen the show, if it's been some miracle, this is your first time watching it. We're covering lots of exciting news and focusing on commercial real estate news it's on the website. Some of it's on the website on Europa Property. And that brings us up to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome, Winston.
Good morning, Craig.
And good to see you. So let's just jump right into the excitement and let us know what's going on.
Yeah, so the main highlights today from the EuropaProperty.com website, again, focus on the logistics and warehouse sector, and some good news for the retail market.
Oh, wow, I always like good news for the retail market.
Yeah, so we'll begin in Romania, and regional warehouse investor developer CTP have earmarked 250 million euros for their continued development in that country.
Wow, in Romania, just in Romania.
In Romania,
wow.
yeah, and they're hoping to raise this money through the IPO that they're offering at the moment.
Well, Remon Vos his team have always been pretty good at raising money.
Yeah, so they're hoping to raise this money and increase their local portfolio. It's 25% by the end of the year.
Oh, right, okay.
And they're one of the biggest developers in Romania at the moment. They have a portfolio of 1.6 million square meters.
Wow.
And over 300,000 square meters in development.
Big project.
Yeah, and they've been buying some new plots of land around the capital.
Okay.
And they hope that they just hope that they can increase their portfolio by 25% by the end of the year.
Great.
According to Remon Vos.
I'm sure they will. So we'll be getting a lot more information as deals come in, I guess.
Yeah, for sure, and that coincides with their general rollout throughout the region. They're expanding everywhere.
Excellent.
Moving on and staying in the logistics industry, we have 7R, the Polish developer. They broke all records under all their records last year in 2020 in Poland. It was a landmark year for the warehouse industry, as we know, and they were the third best developer in terms of leasing and development last year.
All right, number 3, great.
Number 3, according to JLL, they developed. They leased a total of 406,000 square meters in 51 deals. They had they delivered 18 buildings in 14 developments with a total volume of 180,000 square meters. And as you know, the developments in the company, they employed Chris Zuna as Chief Investment Officer.
Yeah, great. Congratulations, Chris.
Yeah, and he will be leading up their continued expansion, which includes in Poland, and they're hoping to expand into other markets.
Oh, great. Well, the market's growing, so why not?
Yeah, and according to Bartłomiej Krawiecki, member of the board and head of development at 7R, he says that they can respond quickly to their clients' requests. They've got a big land bank, and their team is ready to go with BTS and spec development. So they're very
all right. Doing both. All right,
doing both. Yeah. Moving on back to Romania and Mitiska.
All right, big investor.
Big investor. Yeah, they've secured 123 million euros in a senior debt facility from Erste Group.
And who's running that? That's Axel.
Axel Despriet.
Axel Despriet. Right.
Yeah, he's the co-CEO.
Okay. Yep.
And so they've got this 123 million senior debt facility from Erste Group. And this is on their entire Romania portfolio. which is one of the largest portfolios in the country. It's got 24 retail parks.
Wow, that's a big one. That's right. The retail parks are big in Romania. I think anything expanding is retail these days.
Yeah, I mean, retail parks, as we've been reading in news lately, is a growing industry and very popular in this climate. Yeah, and the proceeds from this financing will be going to new developments in Romania.
Okay, great. Well, very exciting stuff.
And then moving on, there's a global event coming our way on April the 30th.
A
global event, which is an innovation for sustainability in the real estate industry. And this is called a Global Real Estate Run.
Global Real Estate Run. Okay,
all right.
So, are you signed up for this?
I've not signed up yet, but I've got all the details, and all the details are on our website. And so it's a global run initiative.
All right.
Which is COVID compliant.
Okay, well, good.
So basically, you've got to run six kilometres on April the 30th, and every participant who signs up, there will be a tree planted.
Wow.
Yeah.
So who's doing this? Do we know?
The organisation is called Global Real Estate Run.
Okay.
And again, all their details is with that website. On our website, you can click up through and go through it to sign up.
April 30th, is that a Saturday or Sunday, or do we know?
I have no idea at the moment, but so it's as you may know, the real estate industry is responsible for around 30% of CO2 emissions globally. So this is a global issue. So this initiative is trying to get as many people as possible to sign up, do the run on April the 30th, whether it's walking, running, whatever you're doing, exercise in the gym. It's GPS tracked, so they'll know exactly how much you do, and everyone who participates, a tree will be planted somewhere in the globe.
God, so if I say I do it, I actually have to do it because they're tracking it.
They will give you, they'll assign you your GPS, so they will know what you've done and what you're doing.
All right. Well, let's sign up for this.
Let's
Anyone watching the
Craig,
Coffee with Craig show, let us know, and we'll send you the link if you can't find it on the website.
Yeah, at the moment it's on the website, so please go to our website and sign up.
Well, it sounds like a great initiative. Yeah.
Great initiative. Yep.
I thought I was the only one doing global events. Good to see someone else's too. Okay. Good to see there's one other. All right.
So that's it for today.
That's it. Yeah, big running thing. Yeah, sounds very exciting. All right. Well, would like to say thank you all for watching the show. We got two great sponsors, of course, that just showed up for the SEE Award on Friday. One was Green Build, which we talked about. The other is Emo Finance, one of the big players down there in investment development as well. So great to have you guys on board. We'll talk about that a little bit more as the week progresses. So for those of you in Central Europe, be careful because this COVID thing seems to be expanding pretty fast. And for, some of the other countries, it seems to be almost over. Great. So take care of yourselves, and we will see you on Tuesday.